These are minds with pure delight. I dream new reality. Is it really true what we achieve? give up when we seem to be close to the dream. In a place